Wait.
Where are we gonna get 100 coins? Maybe one of our friends can help us. Everybody say, oh,
Ja, they're all gone.
we get coins from
Makeup still gone.
Why?
more coins we can.